Hi, my name's Preston, co-founder of JavaLogics, a full-service digital marketing agency in Canada. We excel at helping coaches, consultants, business owners, and nonprofits around the world grow their brand and create a steady flow of qualified leads online. I work with a talented team of marketers who have the technical and creative know-how required to dominate in the digital world. I understand the struggle that most entrepreneurs feel. You hear it every day, and you know that you need to be online to thrive in today's market, but you lack the technical direction, skills, and time to build an online presence. I enjoy working with entrepreneurs to get them to their business goals. Whether you need a professional logo, a fully optimized website, a promo video, social media posts, or clicks to buy your product or service, we got you. If you need help taking your business to the next level, contact me to schedule our first strategy call.